Hi guys, it's just me. I left the old fart back at the workshop, but I figured for this this half week out and about video, I'd take you for a wee bit of a treasure hunt. If you guys have ever heard of what like a barn find is, this is what we would call a yard find, and literally I can't describe this, so I'm just going to show you. I'll take you for a little drive and we'll show you this. So we have, I think, Model A, I think, Model A, two of them. One's a sedan and one's I think it's either a pickup or just a two-door. And then, I don't even know what half of these are. That's a pickup. I've never seen one like that before, but I'm just going to take you for a drive. This place is full of tractors, but it's the vehicles that I want to show you. Again, a nice old Ford. There's a Chevy, a nice International. There's a really nice, that thing is absolutely minty. Some not so old, some kind of old. Like I said, lots of tractors. The guy that lives here, he lives here kind of just during the summer, and then he comes out once in a while. But once the snow flies, he stops coming out. But as you can see, there's everything out here. Trucks are just everywhere, all the way back in there. Look at this lovely big old Chevy. Yeah, I couldn't even, I'd run out of battery before I told you what all kind of vehicles are in here. All the way to the back, there's a Suburban back there, lots of pickup trucks and some nice cars. There's one right there, I think it is. It's a big old family four-door. Another car with the wings, tractors, another old international harvester truck. They really made beefy trucks back in the day. Nice blue Ford. Now that one is in really good nick. Tractors. That's a Oliver. Or is that a Lance Bulldog? That might actually be a Bulldog. But yeah, like I said, they're just everywhere. Like this yard, it's one of many yards like this. Nice old Mercury, that's a Ford. Mercury tractor. There's that blue back there. See this old, yeah, there might be a serial killer in here, so if you don't hear from me, tell my wife and kids I love them. Beauty old Chevy there. 5-window. It's got the split window and then it has a corner window. So I'm actually looking for that. And then look at that for a gorgeous muscle car. It's not the GTO, but it's not far off of that. Trucks, parts everywhere. There's even a 3-wheeler or a quad back in there. Another truck. Beauty old Ford. I think it's an 8N or a 9N. I think it's an 8N. It's a smaller one. Minneapolis Moline. Another Chevy Silverado. Not a Silverado. What do you call that? I can't think of it. John Deere. Very collectible. Massey Harris. Precursor to the Massey Ferguson. Another John Deere in the background. Another Massey. Whole bunch of equipment. Another tractor. Probably bodies in there. Like I said, if you don't hear from me by the end of the week, there's a good chance that I'm probably in a shallow grave somewhere. So, but yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys a wee guided tour. Now, I can't tell you where this is for security reasons, because I'm pretty sure that people would be pissed off with me if I started telling exactly where these locations are. But these yards are everywhere, like literally everywhere. So yeah, every so often I'll probably take you out for a wee cruise around, show you one of these yards, and maybe I'll try and learn up some more on some of these models, because I haven't a clue. clue what half of them are. But so yeah, if you guys like this, and like I said, as long as I get out of here alive, I'll keep doing these. So like I said, there's lots of these yards, so I can keep doing this for quite a while. So you just let me know in the comments, and please comment, like, subscribe, don't like, whatever. Yeah, as long as you like it, I'll keep doing it. So tatty bye for now.